If you want to draw on photos on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first we need to open the gallery. Next we're gonna edit the photo, so let's select the photo and press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen in order to edit it. And now here we are looking for a tool that allows us to draw something on our photo. So let's switch to the smiley face with the pen, and as you can see here we have draw. Not only that, we also have stickers and a text as well, so we can generate text too. But if you want to simply draw something, then here we have different tools for drawing. We can tap on them in order to customize them a little bit. We can make it thicker, we can make it transparent, we can change the color. So let's say I'm gonna choose this red color. Over here we can also swipe to different colors, and we can pick your own color here as well. Alright, so let's close it, and then we can draw anything that you wish to draw on your photo. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done with the editing, you can either press save over here in the top right corner, or tap on these three dots in the top right corner to save copy so that the original photo is still kept. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!